Hello everyone, welcome to Mayu Catering Services. In today's video, I'm come to prepare Koosa. Ghanaian call it Koosa and Nigeria people also call it Akara. Yeah, we Ghanaian people, we eat with millet porridge, that is Hausa cocoa. Let me show you the things I'm going to use. This is the black-eyed beans. You soak it and you peel the skin from it. You remove the skin. And this is the salt I'm going to add it. Onion, shrimp Maggi, chili pepper, garlic, and egg. Please, let's start. And we are going to blend this. So this is the beans. Cut the onion into pieces. Please be careful with your hand. And I'm thanking my old subscribers and my old followers. And if you are new here, you are welcome to my channel or my Facebook page. And you add the chili pepper. Yeah, my own is long, that's why I'm cutting into pieces. And you see, yeah, so I'm come to add my Maggi, shrimp Maggi. I'm not using the full one. You see what I take is just half. And you add it to it. You add water also to it. Yeah, not too much water, small water, you add it to it. And you blend it until smooth. And you see, it's smooth now. So pour into the clean bowl. Add the egg. And you start beating it. Like the way you are beating white egg. Yeah. So you start beating it. You see manpower I'm using to make this one. Add salt for taste. Be careful with the salt. This is my oil I'm going to use to fry it. So you set your fire to medium high temperature, not high, not low. So you put small to check if the oil is hot, it's okay for you to use. So I check it, the oil is okay for me to start frying it. And you start turning side and side. Both sides supposed to fry nice. This is among of Ghanaian breakfast menu. So let be fried until golden brown color. So it's ready. Line kitchen paper on the thing you are going to put it inside and you remove it. So continue the same process until all finished. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, the same like Facebook and Instagram. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.